Alright, y'all. I got some things going on right here. You see the TV. Just talked about it the other day. I went out and got it because I got the money somehow. So yeah, we ready unbox this thing. You know how we ready to do that. I got this as well for the PlayStation 4 so I can have more inputs for, because I mean just those two inputs that come with it, that's too much. And this is pretty cheap. It was $13. I don't really have a link for it. Actually, yeah, I can come up with a link for this. I'm gonna have a link for both of these in the description. This cost me $63 because it was on it was like refurbished, but I don't know how much it's actually gonna cost on the internet, so I'm gonna give y'all the prices. That's gonna be all in the description. For now, let's just get to this thing, son. I ain't got no little special knife like Unbox Therapy, you know. Do it real nice with the keys. That's all I need. Alright. Put this on the ground. So, it's not really that heavily packaged. I guess it's because it's refurbished. It came with the remote, which is pretty big. Everything. I'm probably not going to need this too much. Put that on the table right there. Alright. Oh, actually. Okay, so that's good. It came without the stand on it, which I'm going to put that right there. So that's probably a lot better, because I'm not sure if this TV can fit in there with the stand on it. We're gonna test this out right now, right there. Yeah, it can. Let's see how tall it is with the stand. Alright, so found the screws that came inside the bag that I showed you guys earlier with the remote. So let me just cut back when it's actually screwed in. Alright, so I got it all screwed up and everything like that. So let's get this thing powered on. But before we move on to that part of the video, we have some digital output. We have AV cables for the PC and just for left and right speakers. We have the VGA cable, a PC audio in. We have HDMI, USB, and I guess RF, which is basically the cable, like for watching TV. Basic cable. So. Alright, so I got it powered on and everything. It's pretty good. I didn't get a chance to really test out how good the graphics are, but I don't really notice any decrease in graphics compared to my TV I was using before, so I think it's pretty good. Plus it's a smaller TV, so everything's gonna be more crushed together anyway to kind of make it look a lot better. Let's go into the menu settings. We got picture mode, sound mode, well, I mean picture, audio, time, and setup. Those are the only four things that are available to use until you plug in, like, I guess an actual antenna or something. Then you can get the channels at the bottom and stuff like that. I don't know what the lock is for. Also, the picture is pretty good if you put it on, for me, dynamic, because, well, it just like, it makes all the color look vibrant and pretty good. Let me go back in there and get the settings for the audio as well. Alright, so for my audio settings, I have it set to movie. I guess it more bass and treble, and kind of tries to balance it out. I didn't really see any other better options besides movie. Let me just show you guys just a user standard music. I don't really want too much bass and without that much treble, so movie is perfect for me. It gives it just enough of everything. And time, I mean, that's already set depending on where you turn the TV on at, or where you buy it from. Transparency is good for when you like turning your volume up. Now, if you're not going to be going into the settings any much longer, I would prefer using transparency, only because when you use things like the volume up and down, it doesn't really like get all in the way and everything. If I turn transparency off, it'll be a lot brighter. It'll just be in the middle of the screen. Also for the mute button as well, it's not really that noticeable. So let's get back into the. Alright, so let's try playing a game, getting back into The Witcher. It looks pretty good to me. I know you guys are not going to really be able to see the true graphics, but I don't really notice any bad graphics at all. The black and white levels are pretty good to me. I don't really see too much white or black on here. The sound is pretty good too. That's probably why you can't really hear me that much. But I do notice if you turn it like to like I guess 80, it'll start to like overpower the bass, and I'm guessing it's because I have it in movie mode. So besides that, the TV itself is pretty good. I don't really see anything wrong with the TV, so I guess that concludes the video. Alright, so I'm going to catch you on the next one. Don't forget that the links are down in the description for the TV and the USB ports for the PlayStation as well. They're not only used for PlayStation, you can use them on any device that accepts USB, but that's what I'm going to be using it for. Don't forget to subscribe, like this guy over here. You know, he's doing his thing. And yeah, I'm going to see you on the next one.